Hello, good morning, my dear children. It's our fifth chapter, Our Country. You know that we are living in India. It's our country. I think you all are know about that. So, in this chapter, we are going to study about our country. It's very interesting chapter and very informative also. So, let's start. Unscramble letters to find out the names of the country in which you live. The name of our country is simply we can say India. Using these letters you have to write here INDIA, India. We all belong to India and are called Indians. We are living in India, so we are called Indians. So the capital of our country is New Delhi. Our capital is New Delhi. Let us now learn more about our country. Let's read. Okay, look into the book. Look at the map of our country, India. It is a drawing of our country that shows what it looks like. Here is a map. Can you see? There are so many colors in different states. We can see that Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and we can see here the country India and its states. Okay, look at the map of our country. It's a map of our country, India. It is a drawing of our country that shows what it looks like. Okay, our India is look like this shape. In this shape we can see. Okay. So the people of India speak many languages. Yeah, in this all the state have different languages actually, and in Kerala we the people speak Malayalam, but in the case of Tamil Nadu they are speaking Tamil, and Karnataka Kannada. As the same, all the state they have their own languages, and totally we can say India has so many languages. They also eat different kinds of food. Yeah, they also eat different kinds of food. The taste of the people are different. We the people Keralites eat mainly rice. Our staple food is rice. But in the case of another state, it's not like that. Maybe another food. Okay, so different kinds of food is here. We wear different kinds of clothes, but they all live together entirely as Indians. But we all are saying we are Indians. Okay, and here is we have some national symbols. Our country has some national symbols. Our national flag, national animal, national bird, national flower, national anthem, and all these are our national symbols. Okay, our country India has a number of symbols. These symbols are called national symbols. National flag. Every country has a national flag. India too has a national flag. It is also known as the tricolor. Here we can see the picture of our national flag. You will notice that there are three bands in different colors. Three bands in different colors on our national flag. The top band is of saffron color. The middle band is white in color. At the center of the white band is a blue wheel called as the Ashoka Chakra. Can you see here is a blue wheel, that is Ashoka Chakra. It has 24 spokes. Here we can count 24 spokes. The lower band is green in color. Okay, here we can see 3 colors. That's why this flag is saying tricolor. Saffron, white and green. We should respect our national flag. Yeah, we always want to respect our national flag. Okay, so today's class is enough. That's enough. So you have to read the lesson. You have to read this portion again and again. It's very interesting. So let's, okay, thank you. Have a nice day.